Hey YouTube, so I got a light on my camera now. Turn this lamp off, see how good it works. So we're gonna do a little view of my toolbox here. This is my main toolbox. I got my ratchets and sockets up at the top. Here I got all my pliers and test light, voltmeter. Second one, just all my metric and the standard wrenches. I'll put this back up here. That's a lock. Screwdrivers, my big computer here, and then my little computer, and I just got some little stuff here. But yeah, it is pink, so you know how. But yeah, so in my other toolbox here, well, it's not a toolbox, it's more like drawers. I got pens, pencils, markers, paper, more paper, and then up here I got some electrical fittings and stuff. But the mini fridge, always gotta have a mini fridge, the Walt drill, and so yeah. So this is with the light, and I'll go ahead and turn this light off. Wrong way. Alright, so you can see how dark it is. And now the light's on. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video.